Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, January 22, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, January 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong January 22, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, January 22, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for January 22, 2026, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, January 22, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.